Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 199B kick plate. So 199B from Hager is going to be representative of a plate that is going to be a few things define it. First of all, the 199B is going to be 38 thousandths of an inch thick, 0.038. By comparison, a standard kick plate is 50 thousandths, 0.050. So this is thinner than that, about 30% thinner. Why would you want something thinner? Economy only, really, is the bottom line. Just for cost purposes. You could very likely have an application that simply does not call for a thicker kick plate. You might be using something just as a dress plate, or maybe to keep the cat or the dog from scratching the bottom of a door, and you don't have a reason to justify a thicker plate, whereas you would as if you were in a commercial application and you expected heavy traffic to go through a door where there might be the possibility of denting a kick plate from someone kicking it, things of that nature. Now, the 199B is also made only of an aluminum base material. That's all this is. No other base materials like stainless or plastic or bronze or brass or available. Only available in a bright gold anodized. This blue film you see here is just the peel away protective film, and I've got part of it pulled back so you can see that it's a bright gold anodized. And it's going to be very well suited for applications where you don't need a heavy duty item. You're looking for something that looks good and is cost effective, and the 199B is exactly that. Okay? It is going to include screws and a complementary brass finish. You'll have a couple of options to select, and that's going to be either holes for the included screws, or you can have Hager manufacture it without holes, and then they will apply self-adhesive tape. Now, the self-adhesive tape is very appropriate for a residential application, or really any application, where you simply don't have the desire or the skill or the tools to drill and screw a kick plate onto a door. My only reservation about the tape, and even though that's going to be quite thin, is that that you might have an area of being able to push the front of the plate with tape on the back, because this is fairly thin. But in those instances, a client's not really looking at that particular detail when the paramount thing is economy. Okay, so this is going to be available in all of the common finishes for your 4 major classifications, or your 4 classifications of plates. Mop plates, which are up to 4 inch, and that's, as its name implies, something that's used to protect the bottom of a door in a mopping situation like you would have in a hospital. Then when you get above 4 inch, we're going to call it a kick plate. Between greater than 4 and up to 12 inch, including 12 inch, is called a kick plate. Greater than 12 inch, we're going to call them armor plates. Now, kick plates and armor plates, because they're larger, generally mean that you're going to be able, you're going to have, especially an armor plate, you're looking to literally protect the face of the door. You might opt for the 50 thousandths version, which would be like a 190S from Hager. The other 4th plate, the final plate, is a stretcher plate. It's the same as a mop plate. It's just mounted in the center of the door so that in a hospital application, the stretcher makes contact and pushes it open. Again, anything where you're needing to protect the door against dense contact, the 199B is not the right plate for you. You want the thicker material, and probably made of solid brass as well if you wanted a polished brass sort of finish. All of those plate classifications are available in up to like a 4-foot wide sheet is probably how Hager would stock them, and all that can be accommodated. Now, finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. And in that catalog, you'll find that Hager brings to market a quite comprehensive offering of material. Not only their namesake, Hager Hinge, but they're going to help you with door closers and lock sets and exit devices and trim and auxiliary hardware and weather stripping and sliding door hardware. They do everything for the opening at this time except the door and frame itself, and I bet they're probably working on that. If you have any questions on the Hager 199B kick plate in bright anodized gold finish, or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.